Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaisha in case you are new here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I recreated the Alicia Keys ponytail. I was watching her interview on Drink Champs and just fell in love with the look, and my hair happened to already be straightened, so I decided to go for the recreation. So you're going to need some Shine and Jam, edge control, braiding hair, a rat tail comb, and a brush, of course, and also a little bit of hairspray. The hairspray is optional, but it does help. So starting with the parts, I'm using the rat tail comb to make these parts in the front of my head going backwards. They're kind of slanted parts like a V shape, I would say, but there's still a little bit of room in the middle. So I parted, and then I put the Shine and Jam on the part and then parted again. This always helps to get a really clean and crisp part in your head. So I did that on both sides, and then I did a little bit of detangling with my Denman brush. It's important for your hair to be smooth and tangle free, especially when you are going for a smooth and sleek look. So I put some Shine and Jam on my sides and the middle to slick it down, and then I just brushed everything. I used a tiny bit of hairspray, which I sprayed on my hand and then applied to my hair. This got to be hairspray. It's strong as hell, and I just didn't want a lot of it in my hair, but it does help to keep your hair laid down. And if you don't want your straight hair to revert or have waves when you slick your hair down, it's just better than using a gel. So I'm just brushing everything so that it's sleek and going in the direction that I want it to. Then I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail that's going to be around the middle of my head, not a low pony, but not too high either. And I'm just using some edge control to make sure that my edges stay laid down. Now, y'all know Alicia Keys always has her baby hairs laid to the gods. So I'm surprised they were actually tucked in for this look. And as much as I love the artistry of her edges, I am not that skilled. So that's another reason that I was kind of excited to recreate this look, because I knew that it would come out looking like how hers looks. And I'm going to tie my hair down so it can set while we work on the ponytail in the back. So this is the fun part. We're doing 2 twists back here. So I split my hair in 2 and put one side away. Detangled one more time so it's nice and smooth. And then you're going to grab the braiding hair. So you're starting as you would a 2-strand twist. You have 2 pieces of your hair and place the braiding hair right in the middle. So one is on each side with your hair. Then you're going to twist your hair and the braiding hair together in the same direction, in one singular direction. Do this for both sides and make sure they are both being twisted in the same direction. So if you twisted the first one to the left, then you twist the second one to the left. And you can add in some more Shine and Jam if you need to help your hair to blend in with the braiding hair as you're twisting it. As you get to the end, you probably will. Then you're going to combine those 2 pieces around each other. So this should be in the opposite direction of the way that you twisted. If you twisted both of those pieces in the left direction, then when you twist them around each other, they should be going around in the right direction. And you just continue rolling each piece and twisting them around each other until you get all the way to the end, and then you can put a rubber band on the end part, and boom, you have a rope twist. And then I'm just going to do the same thing for the second twist. So detangle and then align your hair with the braiding hair in the 2 pieces. You twist them together in the same direction. Twist both in the same direction and then twist them around each other in the opposite direction, and keep twisting and rolling until you get to the end. Final step, you're going to take a short piece of the braiding hair. You're going to spray a little bit of hairspray right in the middle and wrap it around the base of your ponytail. This should completely cover your scrunchie around the base of your ponytail, and just tuck the ends in, or you can add a little bit more hairspray to make sure that it is secure. Okay, final step. Put your hoops in and sing your heart out like you really are Alicia Keys. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.